Hey there and welcome to module 5.1, what to expect from this module. And this is already the last module of this training series. And of course, the module generate leads with messenger ads also comes with a module goal. And that is as follows. At the end of this module, your click to messenger ad is sending traffic to your chatbot, which in turn is actively generating messenger subscribers, email leads, and sales. And of course, here is the overview of what we are going to discuss in this module. Now, we lead in with this video you're currently watching, where you learn more about what to expect from this specific module. Then in the second video, we are going to have a little chat about Facebook Messenger paid advertising. Basically, which types of messenger ads there are, why they're actually better than traditional ads on Facebook, and so on. Then in the third video, we are going to do a overview first, basically setting up your messenger ad and showing you how it all ties together. Then in the fourth video, we are going to do a step-by-step setup so that you can follow along and actually set up the ad as we go through this video. So I decided to set this up in two stages, the actual overview and the setup, as I know that setting up an ad on Facebook might be a little confusing for some, a little bit daunting, but these two videos should get you there to attain that end goal. And then as a little bonus, we have the JSON capture tool, basically a little tool we got going on inside Clever Messenger, allowing you to string messages together through this JSON tool. Basically, it allows you to generate a combined code consisting out of JSON code that you can actually use in these click to messenger ads. And then finally, but certainly not least, we got the roundup and action points again. This is basically where I'm going to give you those last action points you need to complete in order to attain not only the module goal, but the entire training goal as well. And with that said, good luck and have a lot of fun with this last module.